Damn, I'm really darkness. That's crazy. I'm really darkness. For me, I am a fucking god. Oh yeah. Ooh. Man. Oh, the sun feels amazing though. Hey, for real, y'all. You guys gotta come out here and get to nature. Mother is talking to me. You feel me? Mother is here. Get out to nature, man. Got my feet on the grass. How can I probably can't switch it, but I got my feet on my on the grass. It feels like I'm getting charged. The sun is beaming on me. I just have water. I haven't really ate today. I feel good. Come out here. You will definitely feel good. Work on your breath. You feel me? Meditate. You will feel amazing. The stretching is key. Stretching and breathing. You gotta open up every airway. You gotta make sure your oxygen gets to every muscle, every ligament. Oxygen heals us. That's crazy. I feel that. Oxygen. It heals us. We are gods and goddesses. We are everything. You can't take this away from us. You can't. How bad you want to, you can't take nature away from us. This is my home. This is my everything. For the chosen ones out there, get more in tune with Earth. Feel her. She will tell you everything. She's our mother. She heals us. Put your feet on the ground. Take your mask off. Put your feet on earth. Breathe. And be one. Be one with everything. You can feel everything. It's like it's emotion. Really feel. Really feel. And you will truly see. You will truly see. This is our planet. God is here with us. God, he guides us. She heals us. God guides us. God guides us. I'm parched. Let me get some water. You feel me? Let me get some water. I'm parched. Having a great talk with y'all. But this is our home. And life can just be so simple, but we make it hard on ourselves. We make it hard. When it's so simple. Love. Let love win. And love is all around us. Love is all around us. That's the crazy thing. We just gotta make time to go see it. Share our feelings with it. Share our feelings with her. And as I said, we will see. We will truly see. But let love guide you. This is all from love. This is nothing else. It's just love. Peace.